This is a brake pawl stop. Okay, now when we're using super fast winches, what happens is the brake pawl gets blown round. Okay, it can come around all the way, and that grease nipple can go into the back of the gear itself. That's not ideal. So what we've done is we've now come up with this little device, the brake pawl stop. So what we're going to do, and this fits all GP100, GP50 and GP25. Just going to do these two bolts here. So I just got to pop those two bolts out of there. And take my brake pawl stop. It's worth noting that these don't fit GP80. Now we've got a couple of customers out there who have fitted them to GP80. Just had to open up the holes fractionally, but they're not designed to fit to GP80. They're designed to fit to 25s, 50s and 100s. So just going to chuck this into there like so. Nice and easy. There it is. Okay, we're in the game. Right, there we are. And you can see that that's a nice rubber buffer there. Just stops that brake pawl smashing all the way around. And I'd recommend this for any winches that are running speeds faster than plus 50. Below that, probably not actually necessary, but a really nice thing to have.